Get out! Stay down! Stay down! No, I got an idea. Like the arrow was shooting through the other skylight. Stay down, Percy! Stay down!
Now what?
Spread your legs.
Excuse me? Oh, I get it. Okay. It's okay. Don't blame me if I miss because I haven't actually done it before. Okay.
What the hell'd you do?
I shot him.
Whoa!
Bert.
Bert? Bert!
We should go hunting sometime. Uh-oh.
Here you go. Oh, I think you look pissed.
Pissed but dumb. Another sitting duck, huh, Bert?
Never assume anything. And stand by to fire at my command. Fight me. No way. I know it. Sons of bitches are always on a learning curve. Load.
Yuck.
23 hours, 59 minutes. Mission completed. Damn it! How the hell does he always know where I am? Watch. The ultrasonic signal.
Bert, are you okay?
I'm caught!
Bert, it's coming! Get rid of the watch!
Crazy. Get out of here.
El Bronco, you on it? Come get it, dude!
My leather man. My tool. My pocket. Right side, bottom row, third pocket. Yeah, cut the springs when my vest is snagged.
How the hell do you open this?
What is that?